that. Some really nice gold in this piece. Woo! It is coming down hard. We're gonna go up this awesome ravine. All right, everybody, welcome back to the creation station once again. We're getting hit by one of the worst storms of the year so far, definitely this year. So we're heading up to, me and Bodie, the enlightened one, we're heading up to a pretty rugged area. It's an area where probably gets the most snow. A lot of people, you might not know that we get snow in Southern California. And so we're heading up that way to do some exploring, see if there are any dry creeks that are getting some runoff. We might want to pan around and basically just see what we get into. Should be a fun trip. Glad to have you guys with us. Check it out, guys. It's coming down hard right now. Get a couple of these. What are you thinking, man? Pretty bad weather. I agree. Quick update here. We just got off the freeway. A little town that we're starting out from. And I have to say, I thought there would be snow at this elevation already. It's a little bit disappointing because the plan was to expedition around in the snow, which is not something that we get very often down here in Southern California. So it's not totally over. I mean, if we're gonna gain some elevation here, and hopefully we'll get up into where it's not just raining. Could have had that just at home today. But I'm thinking we'll still see hopefully a little bit of snow. So the plan is to meet cousin Eric up here at the trailhead. Ah, there he comes right here. Look at that. Look at that crazy vehicle. Oh. In the storm. That's the kind of rig you want. That was really good timing. We dropped down over the ridge to this little town called Pine Mountain Club. And it's raining even harder over here. So it's looking like this might not be an actual snow hike today because it's not snowing. But we will get out of the car here in a minute and at least bushwhack around a little bit, explore in the rain a little bit here. So there's no snow here with cousin Eric, and we stopped here at this little coffee shop, and the very nice gentleman in the shop told us that there's a waterfall trail around here with some fish in it. So it's turning into a fishing trip here.
Woodland Waterfall Trail.
Stay tuned. Also check out his truck. It's pretty badass. You ready for the apocalypse in that thing? Back here in the truck, on our way to the fly fishing waterfall. That's how fast things can change up here in the mountains. 1 second we're gearing up to go for a snow hike, and then plans change, and now we're going fly fishing. It started snowing finally, so now it'll be a snowy fly fishing trip to the waterfall. Heavy wet snow. Luckily, even though it's raining or snowing now, I guess pretty hard, it got this dope little roof here to get ready, get the waders on. It's coming down hard, so as you can see, I was in a pretty mad dash to get out of the flip-flops and get these waders on. All right, we're on the trail here. It is coming down. Your cousin Eric and Bode. I Can you guys see the waterfall up there? Finally made it up here to the creek and the waterfall. And it's such a small creek, I'm having a really hard time thinking there'd be any fish in here, but fish or not, look at how beautiful this looks. Incredible. Cliffs are incredible. Yeah, I left the fishing pole down there, the fly rod. There's just no way there's fish in here. It's like, water's way too low, but we're gonna go up this awesome ravine. And this even looks like if it got cold enough and it's snowed enough, you'd be able to do a spot of ice climbing here. See? We just need to freeze over. Yeah, we're gonna head up that ravine as far as we can go today. Snow's coming down. I just looked down. This is a gold bearing region. I found this rock with a bunch of gold ore in it. Just laying right at the surface of the creek, or right on the bed of the creek rather. Wasn't even looking for it. This is a really cool icy gorge. We got this really beautiful waterfall here. Look at that. Snow coming down. We got Uncle Eric up there. How did he get up there? Or Cousin Eric rather. He's Uncle Eric to my son. How'd you get up there? Dude, did you climb that right there? Oh, you lunatic. Oh, like up the ramp. Like up that ramp? Okay, I'm still not doing that. That is radical. Oh man, he's out of his gourd. Cousin Eric. There you have it, guys. Beautiful trip up this cool waterfall trail. Started off as a snow trip, then became a fly fishing trip, and then ultimately ended in a blizzard waterfall hike. Only in California. Let's watch Cousin Eric hopefully not fall down the huge cliff here. You made it. You're home free. That's probably going to be it for today, but if you guys did like it and you want to see more stuff like this, let me know in the comments. And if you did like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you get to come out with us on the next one. We're stoked to have you guys with us, and Captain Colt out. Alright guys, I was going to end the video, but as always, and I didn't even intend this to be a gold prospecting video, but I came across this really nice piece of gold ore. Look at that, look at this, look at that. Some really nice gold in this piece. That's worth crushing up and panning out for sure. Wow, look at that shine. Radical. We made it back to the truck, and I just want to show you guys one more full. This is like a legit art piece here. Cousin Eric's truck. His name is Clank. Isn't that just the most radical truck you've ever seen? Note the Mad Max javelins. How long would you say the whole process took?
Oh man. Couldn't even say.
It started totally stock, guys. And he's done it. All the welding. Do you have a channel? What?
Yeah, no.
What about anything for the truck that they can go check it out?
Instagram, Colt of Plank.
Colt, C-U, not Colts like me. Oh,
Colt of Plank.
so it's K-U-L-T of Clank. He's documented sort of the whole, or a good amount of the build. So definitely go check that out. It's something that I would definitely check out. I have been checking out actually, so. Awesome trip, dude.
Yeah.
Till the next one.